Hi, my name is Mattias Andersson. I'm a global product manager at Atlas Copco. Throughout all manufacturing industries, the challenges they face are very much the same. It requires an increased production mix and a need for more flexible production, which means systems becoming more complex. Thus, interaction with systems is more critical than ever before.
Building our modern society has come at a cost. Climate change is the defining issue of our time, and we are all aware that we must take action. But there is hope. The indisputable changes we see in the world and a growing awareness among the public are building pressure on governments and businesses to act. The industrial sector, which includes the manufacturing industry, accounts for roughly 1/5 of the global greenhouse gas emissions. The industry must therefore change to become part of the solution. By integrating new technologies, analytics and machine learning into their production facilities, manufacturers are creating the fourth industrial revolution through smart factories. The Atlas Copco Smart Integrated Assembly is our concept for manufacturers looking to transform into a smart factory. As a strategic partner, we help you to take the leap to the era of Industry 4.0 and realize your smart factory. No matter where you are in your transformation journey, and regardless of which industry you work in, we will support you on your road to the smart factory. Together, we will take responsibility for a sustainable future.
Together, we will take responsibility for a sustainable future. This is the red thread you will find throughout Smart Integrated Assembly, from a high-level message to tangible examples. With our flexible ecosystem, we can help you transform your manufacturing processes and help you fulfill your sustainability, productivity, and profitability goals. Atlas Copco is your integrated partner for the smart factory and beyond. This is how we will continue to offer our customers increased uptime, reduction in defects, seamless new product introduction, improve their productivity with easy and smart human interaction, and achieve manufacturing design for energy efficiency. It has never been easier for your customers to order a car online and to choose exactly how they want their cars to be configured. So, for customers, it's easy to order. It can be done completely online. The order is sent to the ERP system and the work order to production. As a customer, you're just waiting for your dream car to be produced and shipped. But what do all of these options mean in terms of production? It means that the complexity increases of building a car to deal with these different variants and faster changes. It's causing a lot more complexity on the factory floor. Those challenges need to be solved before the dream car can be shipped to the customer. The future is the truly flexible assembly line. An assembly line that can deal with hyper-flexibility and that can quickly and smoothly take in new variants or quick changes. It's not just smaller variants like colors or panels. It's also bigger variants like having both combustion and EV engines on the same production line or a completely different model. To solve this challenge, visions of future factories state a clear need for real-time planning and constant optimization, not just every day, week, but even every minute. The line needs to be able to dynamically decide where the products or tools should be. This leads to a high share of wireless equipment, but at the same time, automation plays a significant role as islands in an otherwise open production layout. Coming back to the flexible assembly lines, when new variants are introduced, there's usually a lot that needs to be configured in a station. And to reach the required flexibility, it needs to be automated. And the key part is to get away from locking too much equipment in the station. We need to have tools that can be dynamic, and we need to be able to assign the right task in the right place at the right time. In order to do this, there is a need for smart tools that are location aware, that know where they are. They can move freely, being wireless, and they can receive job orders from an overlying system in real time. This will enable on-the-fly rebalancing. By enabling the products to decide where to go next dynamically, and then making sure that when the products comes to a station, there is a corresponding tool with capabilities to do the operation that's needed. This can be done for most stations, but not everything can be flexible. Some automated stations, some fixed equipment will still be there in the factory. We can also move the tool from one location to another to perform an operation. The important thing from a tool perspective is that the tools in the new station needed to be pre-configured with the correct programs and getting these assembly tasks dynamically. To summarize, flexible production is about assigning the right task in the right place and time. For this to work, there is a need for systems to talk to each other, like station management, product optimization, asset management, and quality management, location positioning, and arrow proofing. So, in order to orchestrate this flexible production, integration between systems becomes a key success factor. With the increased amount of data flow and connected systems, cybersecurity becomes vital to secure the production. As Atlas Copco, we can help with the orchestration of all the added data and to ensure that you have smart devices that talk to each other and to your overlaying system. Integration is made easy by using industry-standard data models and protocols. This makes it possible to connect and control all of your joining-related information. To support the challenges of the flexible factory, we've made sure our software is well integrated with each other, as well as providing easy integrations to your systems. With the integrated software suite, you will have an easy-to-use, all-in-one-place interface that enables you to make the right production decisions, either manually or automatically, based on insights and recommendations covering the entire product assembly operations. And this is covering station management, asset management, integrations, product optimization, quality management, error proofing, and smart portal. So in this very flexible future production, assets and handling assets becomes really important. You need to know the state of the tools and location of the tools, since they are not fixed anymore to a certain station. And it becomes important for many different people in the factory to have easy access to this information. You can match operation capabilities to tool capabilities. Ensure you have enough tools for the coming production. Easy access to detailed and live asset information. See where the tool is located and what the state the tool is in. You can connect this digital twin to our smart portal, where we have features like product configuration, digital product catalog, service information, and much more. But since the workforce is also much more mobile, and with the need to always have this information at hand, with automated maintenance insights, this will give you all the information very easily on your smartphone, like all the service dates, due dates, and optimized preventive maintenance information, so you know exactly when the tool should be replaced or repaired. So, when you're doing a tightening operation with a tool, you know that it most of the time will go perfectly well, but not all the time. One key aspect is to collect all the data from these operations, and not just the not okay status, because that will just show that there is a problem. It will not uncover the reason for more complex problems, so there is often a need for deeper analysis to uncover the root cause and hidden issues behind that problem. And of course, with the huge amounts of data, it's not just looking at one trace. It can be looking at hundreds of traces to find anomalies, which is really like finding a needle in a haystack. With our analytics offering, your tightening experts will have the tools they need to find the root causes of these problems. This is not just covering tightening, but all joining technologies. But a lot of this work can actually be automated, and you might not always have your tightening experts at hand at all times. Our AI-based optimization platform can automate a lot of cases and give instant feedback and recommendations on how to solve these problems. With our tightening services, your production is monitored and help given to implement the necessary suggested solutions for you. By integrating with our ecosystem, quality management will be improved by automatically comparing production information with quality inspection results. It will optimize your quality assurance processes, clearly identifying issues on production tools, assembly joints, or even operator-related issues. Quality inspections are automatically updated according to any changes set in production lines, perfectly matching the high product variance and optimizing the overall quality. So despite now having a highly flexible and productive production line with the reliable equipment, It's inevitable that sometimes things fail. In our integrated software suite, strong diagnostic tools are available that will immediately flag if there's something wrong in the complete system or in a single device and help you to quickly drill down and find the right corrective action to keep the production line running at high availability. As Atlas Copco, we can help with the orchestration of all the added data and to ensure that you have smart devices that talk to each other and to your overlying system. Integration is made easy by using industry standard data models and protocols. Models like OPC-UA companion standard for joining technologies. We make it possible to connect and control all of your joining related information while also automating manual processes. So now, as we embark into this hyper-flexible, productive future, we also need to make sure that this is sustainable. The needs put on the plant infrastructure can be simplified through our integrated software suite. Our solutions lead to high utilization rate on the tool and equipment that's being used, which means that they will be used more efficiently and by reducing their footprint. By reducing the time to identify an issue, finding root causes of problems and how to solve them, we will also increase the efficiency and we will ensure that the operations themselves are kept sustainable. Dealing with different variants on the same line and faster changes is causing a lot more complexity on the factory floor. With the support of Atlas Copco, you can drive hyper-flexible manufacturing through automated processes and integrated data across the production cycle on a global level. With our flexible ecosystem, we can help you transform your manufacturing processes and help you fulfill your sustainability, productivity, and profitability goals. Atlas Copco is your integrated partner for the smart factory and beyond. And this is how we will continue to offer our customers increased uptime, a reduction in defects, seamless new product introduction, improved productivity, along with easy and smart human interaction, as well as achieving manufacturing design for energy efficiency.